In this video, I'll show you how to remove this seat so we can recover it. Shouldn't be too bad, right? The struts that tie the seat to the hull are held in with an Allen screw, and then it goes into a nutsert in a silicone tube. It's like a blind nut. It can be a real pain in the butt getting it on and off. Oh, the head broke off, so now there's a whole shaft in there. What the? Oh! Now that we got those bolts out, the seat should just come right off. It's off. It's shattered, just the plastic just got old, you know. I do have a used one out in the boneyard. I wonder if I can just put it on like it's a jet ski and ride it like that. I got a HydroTurf seat cover. Jet Trim sells the nicest ones, but they're expensive and their lead times are kind of long. If you can wait, go with the Jet Trim. If you're in a hurry, SBT sells the HydroTurf Premium. That's what I got today. I just grabbed the basic colorway so I didn't have to stitch it or nothing. And you get it pretty quick. I'm up in Massachusetts. For them to get it to Florida to me takes 4 days. Typically, to remove, replace, and reinstall takes a few hours depending on how fast you are. Well, I kind of dig how the logo is gold. It's gonna match real nice. Like, you really don't need a lot. So you got upholstery stapler, sharp knife, stainless staples. I've got 3/8 length and 1/4 inch length for the different places. A tack puller to get the staples out. Most of these staples I'm just gonna leave in there. You can take them out, but I've noticed it doesn't really get in the way. Occasionally, when you go to put a new staple in, it'll bounce off an old staple. If that's the case, just pull that one out and put the new one in. You could go around and take off all whatever, couple hundred staples that are in there. But to me, I think that's just kind of a waste of time and totally unnecessary. But that's just me. You do you.
Oh, no, there it goes.
Man, glue that on good. Oh, it's on hammer. I'm like, what is that noise? What? Hold on. Where are we going? What are we doing? Why do I get to stay here? You need to hold on just a second. You need to slow your roll, Missy. Stay here for just a second. Don't turn around until I say so.
Look, Scarlet. Don't touch it.
Don't turn around. Don't turn around!
Chris, wait. Remove the camera.
No, don't touch it. What are you doing?
You got me my
What are you
bike?
doing? Ruined my whole surprise. Can you believe it? It was going to be a big reveal. It was going to be glorious. Nah,
Want to try again?
it's over.
Back in the garage.
Now come on out.
Happy birthday.
We can get you one.
Thanks, Mom.
New BMX bike for the track. Ruined my surprise. Unbelievable.
Peace out, Big Sprout. You're gonna crash it.
All right, love you. Enjoy. Front goes on first. Like, that might be the most annoying part of the whole job. You want to make sure you're getting the center line correct. Oh yeah, piece of cake. Ah. I'm gonna start by just tacking it low till we get it lined up the way we want it. Looks like the back is a little over. That's pretty good. And at the end of the day, if you like doing these kind of projects and you don't mind taking half a day to do it, then you can do it yourself. It's not that hard. And if you mess up, you just take the tack puller and pull the staples out and redo it. Oh, wife's home. She's gonna make fun of me for being on video. She's laughing at me right now.